Hey guys, okay, it is August 27th, and today we've got 2 plates that we can open.
Okay, so here's the deal. The dates got a little bit shifted around, so the dates on the packages aren't exactly right. So we're going to open one of these plates today and one of these plates tomorrow.
My guess here is that these are mini plates. I know, I'm psychic, right? I should have like a website. I should have a call-in number, because I'm just so psychic that I can guess these things. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, right. Oh, okay, awesome. This is, yay! This is pumpkins. Yes. Okay. So this is called Hello Fall and Pumpkin Spice. So this is a theme of both fall and both pumpkin spice. And let me pull off this protective coating here so you can get a better look. There we go. There we go. I think we got in focus. So all kinds of cool little fall sayings like it's fall, sweater weather, harvest, bless our home, all that kind of cool stuff. And then over here we've got some kind of layering pumpkins and pretty little fall foliage you can stamp in different colors, some little hearts and leaves to play around with. Pumpkin pie that you can layer so you can get your different colors in there. Small pumpkin to go with the bigger pumpkin over here. A little latte that you can layer in your different colors, so that's really cool. So just basically celebrating the fall, and fall is my favorite time of year. Well, I like fall and winter, but I love fall because I love Halloween. I love pumpkin spice everything, so this is a plate made for me. And one of the things that I think UberChic is known for are all of her sweet little sayings that she has on her plate. So here's one that will definitely feed into all of that. Alright, so I did 2 sample looks with the fall and pumpkin spice plate. First I did this one. Let me see if I get that in focus here. There we go. So first, I like the white pumpkins. I think I like the red and orangey pumpkins, but that are kind of squashed, and I like the white pumpkins too. So I thought I would do something a little different and do a little white pumpkin there with the leafy borders. And then, of course, I had to celebrate my pumpkin spice latte. So I put a background of kind of a coffee colored polish and then stamped over in the, I myself like the Starbucks pumpkin spice latte. I'm just saying. I'm happy with anyone though. I'll admit it. I just like pumpkin spice lattes from anywhere. So there we go. I did that. All right. So I will be back next time with the next reveal, and thank you for watching.